Hi, I'm here to show you some stuff I got from Temu. Um, I snow blow my neighbor across the street, and she always wants to pay me, and I don't want to take her money. And her son made me, so I filled up my gas cans, and I kept a little bit to spend on myself. That was the deal. Make sure you get something for yourself, Tina. And I've been sitting on it. Well, then the other night, Temu went down the bad rabbit hole, Temu. But I had the money anyways. So I got these acrylic brush markers, 80 of them. They have to shake them. And let me get a piece of scratch paper here. We'll just grab a book page. Ooh, nice. Nice colors. So, I think I paid less than $10. I had that, you spin the wheel thing kind of thing going on. So I got them. And then, not 2 weeks ago, all my skin tone markers were out of ink. And I use them till they're dead horses. So I grabbed a pack off Amazon. And it was this brand. Arstoodle Troll. I don't know how you say that. I kept the package. I cut this out because I didn't like the packaging, and I put them in this little zippy thing. But the reason I showed these are off the Amazon, or whatever store. It's because I got these. These are skin and brush. Now, I thought I was grabbing different name brands. They're the same one. So I got 12 of colors that are 12 in here as well. We're going to do a comparison in another video to see which is better. I'm trying to remember how many I got in here. I think 20. So I got that. And that's alright because I use color a lot. So skin tones, even if I did the oopsie on the 12 to realize it's the same brand, it doesn't matter. Then I got, and this is what I'm really stoked about. Oh, right here, we'll just get a piece of tablet here. Is when I doodle. I doodle all the time. But I hate pens. My pens suck. So there was these drawing pens. And I thought, and they're different tips. Ooh, I like that tip. Then I grabbed these as well. Ooh, nice. Cool. Like I said, everything was under like $10. So I got them. And I can't. The numbers are so small. The numbers are on the top, and I guess every different pen is a different nib. Yeah, it's real tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So, we'll see how long these are. Good. I also, this is at 3 o'clock in the morning. People shouldn't go shopping at 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay? I forgot what I ordered. I also got these. These are needle pens, micro graphics. These are cool. I got these yesterday. These all came today. And, oh, these colors are so good. Man, look at that tip. I love the tip. That's all the tips, and the colors are so good. Really good colors. I mean, that's deep colors. I mean, yeah. Oops. Boom. So I got them too, which is cool. I like them. Okay. Okay. How do I justify buying more pens? I don't. Because I was thinking to myself, did I really need more pens? Yeah. That's how I justify it. But then, I remember ordering this. But this, I don't remember ordering it. And then it came broken anyways. Well, one part. A fountain pen, an ink, wax burner, envelope opener. I don't see me getting this because I don't even use the wax burner I have in the fountain pens. But, so, to the fact, this was not attached. Scott had to put it in there for me. You're supposed to be able to put that in there, and you couldn't even get it in there to hold the pen. Then, look at my poor feather. It's broke. So, and then if you watched my live yesterday, you see me. You got that, you got a little wax, you got some candle, then you got some wax pellets, an envelope over it. You got 3 pens with the same nib, and then the seal, which is cool, and this comes off. Then the inks, except it was rolling, so I made the foam thing. I had some foam, and I did that so they quit rolling in the box. The packaging, I thought, is not very. I even said that in the comments. Packaging could have been better. Nothing was wrapped. Not even the glass one. I was like really disappointed. I'm glad I didn't buy this. So I told them it ain't broken and I didn't buy it. So they gave me my money back. So that is my order. And a t-shirt that's still coming for Riley for her birthday. But this is my goodness. So we are, future video, are going to do a comparison of the skin tones with this brand. So watch for that video. I'll talk to you later. Sorry, it's a long one. Bye!